Time to wake up, Denko.
I don't wanna.
But you don't want to miss your favorite show, right?
Oh, where's my cute small special edition? Oh!
Build a snowman.
Hello, Miles the Fox. This is Antarctica News Report. Antarctica has been attacked by polar bears. Oh God, it's here! Ah!
Goodbye, sweetie, and always remember you're the best.
Okay.
Bye.
Ah! Sour!
Haven't I been here? I'm either dreaming or show yourself, GLaDOS. Wrong door, darling. What the? You better hurry up and get outside. Soul is formless and you are de facto defenseless. I don't understand you. What do you mean soul? Your soul is in your body and your body has a soul. This place is within the distortion radius. This implies many things, but the most important is the artifact that I really need. Bye. Wait! Ah! Where am I? Episode 1. Sorry, Miss Teacher. I missed school because of a space distortion.